So now here we're just gonna have to drag and drop our files. Composition, okay. From here we're gonna have to drag and drop the files. From here, if you double click, you're gonna have all your files here. Now from here you're just gonna click and drag. Now I don't need this file right over here, so I'll just lock this file. Now this is the first one, and the last one I'll hold shift. I'm gonna need all the files from here. I'm gonna have to actually move them in the 3D space and move them behind. So I'm gonna do this with P. Please click on P, and then here you just need to drag, and when you drag like this, you're gonna move. So first I'm gonna click on this one and I'm gonna add 3000, and then the next one I'm gonna add here 2K, second one, and the last one. So basically I just move all the images really behind, as you can see. First one, second one, third one in the background. And now I'm just gonna click on the background here, which is the sky, press S to scale, and I'm just gonna scale the background like this. Okay, and now we're gonna have this one here. I'm gonna press S to scale this background as well. This one, S, scale this again, and then the last one, S, scale this again. Now I'm gonna move, click, drag, just to make sure it looks good. Now we're just gonna have to right click, new, select camera, click OK. And then from here, I'm gonna move the camera right over here. Also, I'm gonna double click on the camera here, and I'm gonna increase the focal point around here. And then I'm gonna click OK. Now from here, I'll click on P for position. I'm gonna add a keyframe right over here, and I'm just gonna zoom in. Zoom in. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in and zoom in. Okay, and then couple of keyframes. I'm just gonna move like this. I like this animation. And then after that, I'm gonna move a couple of keyframes ahead, a couple of seconds, and I'm gonna zoom out. Actually, that was like too much. I actually moved here. That's fine. You know, it's fine. You can just remove the keyframe and you can correct this very easy, like so. And then I can just zoom out. You don't even have to have you can even like right here, maybe go back, like zoom on the move on the left side or right side, go a little bit down maybe. It's really up to you how you do this. And the best way to understand the 3D camera, I like when you go here to 2 view. You're gonna see what we're doing here. We have this camera, this background here, the second one, which is this one, third one, this one. You can even move them like so, and then the last one. And now when we move the camera, we can even do it from here, a little bit down like so. We have some less space here we can drag. Now this is what we have. We can also see the camera, how it's moving. And also I like to click on this pen. Now I can see the paths. So click on the camera and I can see the paths. And this is what we have.